Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I crush the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Another video, another planner setup. I love planning, I love setting up planners, and I love bringing you guys along for the journey. Today is all about this pocket planner. We're going to talk about the cover, we're going to talk about the inserts that I chose for this one, and I will have all the information in the description box for you to create a traveler's notebook system of your own. Let's jump right into it. So starting off with this pocket TN cover. I am not one that is too keen on pocket TNs because I don't feel like I have enough space. But I will say if you're looking for something that is compact, that you can bring on the go, that is not as small as a micro TN. I'll show you guys the three different sizes I have here. So this is a micro, this is a pocket, and this is a B6. So you can see the difference in size, and it's a pretty significant difference between the three. The micro is super tiny. It's literally like half the size of the pocket. The pocket is something more compact. You can throw this in your bag. And the B6, if you want something that has more space but it's not like an A5, the B6 is a comfortable, happy medium. And this is also equivalent to that of a Stalogy. So the cool thing about traveler's notebooks, which I've mentioned before, is that with a ring and Discbound system, you have the flexibility to create sections. With a traveler's notebook, the bands on the inside allow you to still have those sections. They just have their own specific notebook. So this one here is from Webster's Pages. I do not have an elastic band on it, but I will say that adding an elastic band is far easier for me than adding the strings that are on the inside. And this one in particular has 4. So Webster's Pages has a lot of affordable options with fun covers, and this one is 2 of my favorite things combined, stripes and florals. It is a navy with these beautiful florals. It does have a pen loop when you open it up. It has secretarial pockets, has 2 pockets here, and then the big pocket on the back, and it does say Webster's Pages, and it has the website over here. As for the inserts for this one, you may think that it's hard to find pocket inserts. It's not. These notebooks you will find generally at your regular office supply store. These are your standard travel size, throw them in your bag notebooks that you see. So I have 3 different brands here. 2 of them are from one of my favorite sticker shops, which is Pear Tea, and this one is a hibiscus tea here, and then this one has florals, and it's a very faint dot grid, and this one is just blank. What I like to do with these is similar to how I would use any of my other traveler's notebook systems, is each book of course has its own designated use, and I would use one of these for a tracker. I get really bad migraines and just keeping up with my fitness in general, I'd use one of them for that. Another one just to keep up with my daily, weekly to-dos. Anything I need to get done, I would have a book dedicated for that. Then there's just one that could be used for notes, reference, or if you wanted to use it as a devotional. I do have a video on turning one of these into that. And this one is from Erin Condren. And then this one is from May Designs. May Designs, their smaller notebooks fit great inside of a pocket planner. And this one is gratitude. So you have the gratitude first here, and then your priorities for the day. So you could do just a gratitude list for the week. Whenever you want to reference that, that's great to use this for. Now, I only have 4, so I can go ahead and put each one on the band. But if you wanted to join your notebooks together for any reason and add more, all you have to do is open them up to the middle, take the back cover of one and the front cover of the other, pop a rubber band down the middle, and voila, you'll be able to fit 2 notebooks on 1 string. But this one, conveniently, I have 4, 1 for each string. So I like to separate my notebooks out. And you can also add tabs on these notebooks, further decorate them however you wish. So then we have number 3. And then the last one. I was concerned at first if this one from May Designs would fit, but it fits perfectly on this back one. It does overhang because these are also staggered with the way that the strings lay. But when I close it, it is a little bit further out, as you can see, but the fact that it's on the back cover doesn't really bother me. Another thing with not having an elastic band on this is that even though there isn't one, the elastic band is to keep everything together contained. This still closes just fine without it, and there is, as you can see, a pen loop, so you'll never lose your pen, and then you just throw this in your bag, and this will fit in just about any size bag, which is nice. Now, for the pockets, this is where you can customize more. I'm actually going to use some girl dolls that I have from Pear Tea Papery, and I laminated them. So this one is just going to go here in the front. Add a little bit of deco, a little bit of razzle dazzle. And then I have these 2 that I'm going to go ahead and put in the back. So yes, laminate your stickers. It works out great. Then I have this bookmark, which I'm just going to stick there, the notes one. And of course, you can just pop this in the middle of any of your notebooks for a quick reference to the page that you're on. And when you're not using it, you can put it in the front. And then in the back, the pockets I am going to use for stickers. Not sure if this big one will actually fit in the pocket, so I'm just going to put that in the back cover of that. And that is it for this super quick pocket planner setup. Just popping in your inserts of choice, adding a little bit of deco, which you can find in your stash. You have room for stickers. You have room for your pen. I use the Sharpie gel, and the Sharpie gel slides perfectly into that pen loop. Another way to do it is to just take the top and slide it on like that when you're in a rush. So I really do love this pocket size. It's just not the size for me, but it's a great option if you're looking for something compact and you want to be able to keep up with multiple things in one central location. So that wraps it up for this video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Have you ever used a traveler's notebook? What is your favorite size? Let's continue the conversation. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box. I'll have more info on Webster's pages and other places you can find traveler's notebooks, related videos with all of my planner setups if you guys would like to see more on that, and of course the links to the blog and Instagram, plus so much more. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.